What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and you have just clicked in to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, we have the box by Fashionsta that we're going to be unboxing. It is so heavy. I already seen a few spoilers, and I'm excited to get into this box. So if you guys want to see what I have in November's box, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how your Thanksgiving was and what kind of Black Friday shopping you're doing. What's up, loves? Welcome. Today, guys, we're tackling the box by Fashionsta. I have a little bit of pink Moscato today to drink. So we're gonna take a dance break and a drink break. Y'all know, guys, I need to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from Wednesday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Just a quick little reminder, guys, Saturday, 10 a.m., I will be having a bonus video up for you guys to check out. It'll be Lashy Box, so make sure that you check it out. I mentioned a while back that my numbers have not just been good lately. So we're gonna be making a couple changes to the channel. I'll probably be cutting back the amount of times per week I upload, and I will probably just try to keep boxes that you guys are interested in and just new boxes. We're gonna change it up a little bit. I'll have a video on that coming up, but today we're tackling the box, and we're gonna get right on into it, boo. We don't have a lot of time. This one, guys, is $24.99 every month. It is a beauty subscription. We get roughly 5 to 7 products each month, and it has a value of around $100 to $150. I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys just in case you wanna subscribe. I do not have a code, guys, to save you no money, but sorry. So let's get this box on and poppin', boo. So when we open her up, ooh, this is what she is looking like. Sorry for the glare, guys. I may have to turn my lights down. We do get a card each month, guys. This is what the card looks like. And it says, the box by Fashionsta, give thanks. It's the season of giving. And we give thanks to each and every one of you for subscribing to our box. That's cute. On the back of this card, guys, they give us a list of the products that we received, as well as prices. Y'all know I'm gonna put them down below. So let's open this baby up. First product up is from 3 Graces Beauty. This is the Lip Savior Love Yourself. I guess this is like a lip balm. That's what it looks like right there, my loves. Let me see what the card says about this. So this, guys, is the ultimate lip rejuvenator. It blurs fine lip lines and restores the lips' delicate barrier for soft, plump lips all day. It's made in the USA, and it's also cruelty-free. That's what it looks like, and you get 15 milliliters of product. It doesn't have a little seal on it. I'll take a little bit and squeeze it out. Like I told you guys, wintertime is quickly approaching, if we're not already there. I don't even know. And my lips are always dry, so it does feel really nice on the hand. Very moisturizing, so okay. I'm glad to get that product. Up next, my loves, is from Susan and Me. This is a Simply Even Tone Perfecting Butter. It has vitamins A and E in it and metal foam seed oil. I'm gonna just show you guys quickly because I'm getting so agitated with those lights. I did receive a product from Susan and Me from my Naked Beauty box. I think it's in my bathroom. I have been using that product and loving it. This is what it looks like right here, my loves. And you get 2.3 ounces of product. We open it up. It does have a little seal that came off. Oh, and it smells like coconut. And it's like a balm. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like a balm type. Oh, it smells really good. And let's see what this is. So this is the Simply Susan Tone Perfecting Butter. It is a gentle and soothing blend of shea, cocoa, and mango butters to be used on both the face and body for healthy, radiant skin. This, guys, retails for $24. Okay, I actually do like this company, so I will get some use out of this. Good. Next product, guys, is from Dr. Botanicals, and this is the Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover right there. That's what she's looking like. And in here you get 30 mLs of product. Now, I'm not sure if this is a full-size product or not. I'm gonna have to go on their site and check it out. I'll let you guys know down below. This is a refreshing facial cleanser with a powerful hydrating capacity and omega acids that remove any excess sebum on the skin. This is vegan plus cruelty-free, and I do love Dr. Botanico's products. There is a little seal on there, so I will not be opening this up, but I will put this into rotation as soon as I need it. Let's take a drink, okay? All right, guys, next up we have these 3 products here. Now, they did include these as 3 separate products. They are brushes from LaRousse. Let me know how you guys feel about them doing the brushes as 3 separate products, or do you think it should have just been counted as 1 product? Let me know what y'all think. But I tell you what, the design on these brushes, oh my God, the handle is gray. It has some texture here, this nice charcoal gray well, whatever this front piece is called. And the brushes are really nice and really soft. I love them. This first one right here is the angled brush. This is the LR304 brush. It's $32, and you can use this to apply your favorite cream or powdered highlights to revive your routine all year long. And I tell you what, guys, I absolutely am digging this brush. So this one is $32. And then we have the LaRousse tapered blending brush, the LR120. This one is $100. I was about to say $100. This one is $28, guys, and this will create a soft, diffuse eye contour, best used for powder products and eyeshadows. And I must say, the quality on these brushes are really nice. I really, really, really like them. And then last but not least, we have this brush here, which is like an angled brush right here. And this is the angled shading brush, the LR117. This one also retails for $28. This is a versatile angled brush that effortlessly blends smudges and smokes out powder or cream eyeshadows. And yeah, guys, so these 3 brushes are right here, are 3 separate products in the box, okay? All right, guys, next up we have a palette. And this is the Dominique Paul palette, guys. This is a contour palette. I'm gonna put it down because it is glaring. This is the Dominique Paul contour palette. Retails for $40, and it can be used as eyeshadows, bronzers, or setting powders to sculpt and shade your eyes, cheekbones, nose, and jaw. This is also cruelty-free and vegan. And I like the little front. It has like a little elephant on it. It's cute. When we open it up, girl, we have a mirror. Hey, boo. This right here is the palette. Now, I do remember going into their Instagram when I saw this spoiler and asking them if they had only like 1 shade. They said yes, but the shades are able to be built up. Now, I don't know if this is gonna work for TonyaNicole, so I'm not gonna swatch it, but the shades do look very pretty and creamy. This one is like a nice banana powder. These 3 on the bottom could be used as bronzers. These 2 probably as like highlighters, but yeah, I just wish with this palette, it would have came in just like a light, medium, and dark. I always think, that with complexion products, they should include a light, medium, and dark, because one palette, it's almost impossible for one palette to work with every skin tone. You get my drift? Okay. $40, guys. Sorry for the glare. And then our last product up, I think, is this right here. And we got another palette. And this is by Laura Sanchez. This is the Moods palette. And I do remember receiving this in a BoxyCharm maybe early last year. I don't remember, but I do remember receiving this. The packaging is cute. When you open it up fully, this is how it looks. It's like a lady with a little crystal ball. And inside the palette, we get another mirror. Hey, boo. This is the palette right here, my loves. These are the shadows. This is a highlighter. I'm not really sure what this white powder is. And then they gave us a dual-sided brush. I think for the most part, I'm just gonna probably put this into a giveaway. The shadows are very pretty, but I do already own this palette. And I did not reach for this palette too often, so I'm just gonna put it in a giveaway for you guys. Yeah, so let's see what the price is on this little palette right here. This one right here retails for $25. Okay guys, so that was our last product in this month's The Box. Let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received from Laura Sanchez this Mood Eyeshadow Palette. From Dominic Paul, this Contour Palette. From Susan and Me, this Tone Perfecting Butter. 3 Graces, this Lip Savior. Dr. Botanicals, this Watermelon Facial Cleanser. And these 3 brushes from LaRousse right here. So these 7 products right here, my loves. Final thoughts on this month's box was, I actually really liked this month's box. They had a nice mix of makeup. They gave us brushes and skincare all in one, and it's very affordable. It's $24, so you really can't beat that. I think for the most part, the only thing I'm a little bit concerned about would be this palette. Like I said, I love the fact that they're introducing makeup into these boxes because y'all know I like an even mix of skincare and makeup. But I just wish that going forward, most of these subscription boxes would do at least a light, medium, and dark palette, or put all of those shades into one so that you're able to work with everybody. If not, I mean, you can use it as eyeshadows and maybe some highlighters, but you know, I just think that companies should start catering to every single skin tone. Other than that, I thought it was a pretty decent box this month. I really enjoyed it. I like the fact that we got 2 palettes, 3 brushes. This stuff here, I'm gonna enjoy this body butter, the watermelon scrub, the lip. I mean, I enjoyed the box, guys. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this box. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn turtle, girl. To 5, being this box is thebomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna give the box for the month of November a solid 3.5 to 4. I really enjoyed this month's box, guys. The total retail value for the box was $205 this month. So I think that they did a wonderful job. Do not forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you have not subscribed to our family, please join us. When we get to the big 5, we're gonna hit a good little giveaway. Also, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and tell a friend, guys, so that we can grow. And that's all I have, my loves. I hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are Black Friday shopping, and I will see you in the comments and on tomorrow's video, 10 a.m. bonus video, guys. I love you guys deeply. Bye, loves.